Either I give love or I don't give love. There is no fake love. I never give love because maybe I don't feel it. But when I feel it, then you can take it. It's the first time in my life that I've got my nails done. Okay, so we are getting ready for the LSAs, and it's been a bit stressful because there were rehearsals, and I think the show is running late, so we're on time, and Omayr is done with hair and makeup in less than 2 hours, which is huge. And we're gonna go now try on the dress. Back up, Mubarak.